So, wala namang bago. Actually, medyo matagal na rin naman 'tong task na 'to. So, itong task reward natin for ordinary user is kailangan nyo po doon ng 200 points. So, yung 200 points na yun is worth of gifts at hindi lang po dapat 1 hour solo life ang dapat matapos ninyo. Dapat makakuha din po kayo ng gift. So, basta pa yung makita po kayong dalawang over, guys. Okay, lagi niyong pakatandaan. Ibig sabihin po nun, kailangan po nun ng live hours and income. So, syempre kapag babae, points ang makukuha ninyo sa mga rewards ninyo. Kapag lalaki naman, coins yung nakukuha nila. Wala silang task reward na kagaya ng female. So, if you have any questions, guys, you can visit my live. My user ID is 79170. I'm doing live every Tuesday hanggang Saturday. And for those people po na may mga questions regarding on Popo Live, you can drop your questions during my live. And I have some tutorials on my social media accounts. Just search Tita Laika. Baka mamaya nagawan ko na ng vlog yan.